Greater than, the political battleground of God's own country is ready. Kerala Assembly Election 2026 is approaching fast, and the big question is, who will win? Is it Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan leading the Left Democratic Front once again? Or will VD Satheesan and the United Democratic Front make a strong comeback in Kerala politics? And what impact will the Bharatiya Janata Party have in this high-stakes election? In this video, we bring you the latest Kerala Election 2026 opinion poll, including seat predictions, voting trends, and key political factors shaping the race. From LDF versus UDF to BJP Kerala seat prediction, we break down every major update clearly and simply. Stay tuned for Kerala Politics Live, exit poll analysis, and the latest election news from across the state. This is your complete guide to the Kerala Assembly Election 2026.